I'd never actually seen these before. And the reason I say I'm interested is because, I don't know about you, but have you looked at your cutting boards lately? Are they pretty gross? You feel like, oh my gosh, would you let your best friend or your mother cut on them, or your mother-in-law?
Would you let your mother see them?
Yeah, if the answer is no, you need to replenish. I need to replenish.
Yeah.
So here you get 3 for $27.98. The sale price goes up at the end of the day. So right now, you're getting less than $28, but that price will go up to $30 at the end of the day today.
And I love that you're getting 3 great sizes. So if I had to create the perfect cutting board, this was all the things that I wanted to have included. First and foremost, it's injected with antimicrobial, which means it's not going to have mildew, it's not going to create bacteria, it's not going to hold on to all of those things. It's reversible, right? Smooth side, trencher side, right? That trench that catches all of those juices. The whole rim around it creates a non-slip, which makes it safer when you're cutting sharp things in your kitchen. And then I put a little hole there, which makes it really easy to take things in and out. Like if you're sliding it in and out of drawers, 3 great sizes. So that was kind of the mastermind behind why I wanted to create these. Then we gave you the great patterns behind Mary Beth, of course, so that you could coordinate it along with your kitchen. Look how fabulous the woodland came out.
I was just gonna say, my gosh, look at the white woodland. And then we have the confetti in Old World. We have the red doodle do, and then we also have Pawfetti. So we've got all 4 of those patterns to go around. But the whole thing is, so I can cut on this. Can I put it in my dishwasher?
You can, which is fantastic, right? A lot of times with our cutting boards, they require hand washing. Well, does that ever really ultimately get it clean? Ours is a couple of things. Not only do you have double safety. You have the antimicrobial already injected inside it, and you have the fact that you can go ahead and put it in the dishwasher. Guys, cutting boards have so much contamination. The fact that you're getting 3 great sizes, you could always keep them separate, right? You can do raw chicken, something like that. Or maybe you have some smaller tasks, right? Maybe it's your lemons, it's your limes, it's some of the fruit that you want to do. I love that there truly is a size cutting board for every task in the kitchen. You guys know for 21 years, like I look at everything that we use and I think, how can I make a better mousetrap? How can I make it better? Well, how can I also make it safer, right? A safe cutting board and your knives in the kitchen is the most important.
A couple of the gals that work here, they were telling me earlier today, they said they have these and they use the smallest one the most.
Oh, yeah.
And so isn't that
interesting? It's like your paring knife, right? I use my paring knife the most because I'm not using all these big making all these big meals, so it would make sense. These are great, you guys.
And then here you've got bread,
sandwiches,
I mean, the whole thing is that, just real quickly, the small is about 8 by 5.5, the medium is 11.5 by 7.5, the large about 13 3/4 by 9.5.
They're fabulous.
So just beautiful pieces. Go to QVC.com. Remember, the price goes up at the end of the day today. All right, come on.
All right, I'm coming.
We've got something else we want to show everyone, and it happens to be a set of 2